When the hurricane blow, I don't see the heap of false prophet them. Which part now there? As someone who cause God to get angry. Which part someone who false prophet there? I hope the hurricane wash someone away with no lying tongue and deceitful ways. One of there? I never seen none of them come one about no hurricane. For sure no how no lie. But everybody on the app at trend no come. I could not come out and talk about Melissa now. I'm sure somebody someone look on rooftop see how they have on blow we are not blow we are not have no current we can't talk. You know me there I wait to see someone and along foot one day where have on the filter day in and day out. Wherever have word from God for the person that are trending. Which part you there? I hope you don't get back no light. No wicked like what? If you not go read the Bible, no come every day come. You see when all of this done and Jamaica come back together, I want to see none of them come back for the media. Me personally go come and no comment. And no live and make no block me. Because I don't know which prophet are black people on the app. Or not prophet or not black people. Make it make sense. What kind of prophet to be? When you out there I help, when you out there I give back. When you look at dirty false prophet, when you out there I give back. When you see everything but you do not see this. Oh, dirty false prophet to be. But we see. Anyway, I'm going to work, guys. I'm not feeling well, my sinus is acting up. I'm waiting on the bus. The rest of people them out there will put their life back together and just stay focused. Yeah? Take one you get and be humble and be grateful. Alright? Until everything work out. It will work out. We are Jamaicans. We are tough.